back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tastie Dine, also known as Chepto, and today's video is all about Q&As or get to know me type of tag. I am not so familiar with this type of videos, but I am trying to learn new things and trying to entertain you guys as well, and give in some sort of information about myself to you guys so you get to know me more. So, but before we begin this video, I want to give out a disclaimer. You'll probably hear quite a lot of background noise, whether in the kitchen because of the fridge or outside because of cars, and all that is because my apartment is strategically positioned by the road, so we can't basically do anything about it. So pardon me if you hear any disturbance in the background, but I mean, focus on me and we'll be fine. Anyways, so as we begin with the questions, the reason why I'm looking down is because all the questions are jotted down on my book and I'm recording using my phone. So yeah, just leaving it out there in the world. Anyway, so the first question is, am I related to the Biwott family? And the answer is no. I get this question quite a lot, especially in an Uber, in my former workplace, in my clients. So many people ask me this question, and no, I'm not related to the Nicholas Biwott family. Second is, how is life like now that you left the corporate world? It's my time is flexible. It's much more flexible because first I get to wake up anytime I want. I get to plan my time much better than how I used to plan, because previously I used to work for someone or for in the corporate world, and that means working towards the timeline they give us. And now I have so much time, flexible time. I get to do the things that I love to do, and that's related to food content creation, and my pastry business is up and running and doing so much better right now. I get to mingle with clients that give me the business, and before I just used to do deliveries and that's it. I don't get to interact with them and so many other things. If I really get into deep with this answer, it will take quite a while. So what did you study in school or uni? First and foremost, I went to college not uni, but I did study travel, tourism and hospitality, and that's basically what I did in terms of my work ethic. So yeah, I was in the right place at the right time, doing the thing that I was supposed to do. Do you make money off YouTube? Not yet. I was planning on. Yes, maybe something is cropping up and I'll let you know about that. Have you ever worked with any brands of late? Yes, I have, and I have done some work with Biofoods Kenya. Yeah, and I posted the work on my page, and it's also on their Instagram page, so check that out. So, between content creating on the blog and your pastry business, which do you love the most? Well, if you don't know, my blog is called Tastie Dine, and my pastry business is called Tasty Bakes. So I can't really separate the two come in handy, I can say. What camera do you use while recording your food videos, and what editing software do you use as well? I use my phone, my normal camera phone, and I'm using a Techno L8 Plus. And the editing software that I use is Wondershare Filmora, and it works for me. I mean, hey. What's your biggest achievement this year? Well, I was blessed enough to see my 30th birthday this year, and the other is resigning from my job. I mean, why would I say that's an achievement? Because I get to do what I love to do, and that's pastry baking, creating content, and being a business lady. I mean, that's all I can say. Next is, oh my god, the questions are so many. Do you speak Kalenjin? Well, I think the only thing Kalenjin about me is blood and my name. I can't really, if I was to save my life to speak Kalenjin, I think I would be dead. I think that answers your question. No, I don't speak Kalenjin, but I hear the basics, but I can't really speak fluently. So, oh wow, okay, guys, are you dating? Am I dating? I am. Well, I don't know why this question gets me so off guard all the time, but there's someone special in the picture. But yeah. So, in your pastry baking business, do you bake cakes, and at how much? Oh, sweetheart, I don't bake cakes. Cakes is not my specialty. I do not like bake caking. Bake caking. What? Is that even a word? Oh my god, this is so weird. Bake caking. I don't like cake baking. That's a tongue twister in its own way. No, I don't bake cakes, but what I do have in my pastry bakery menu is cookies, baked donuts, which is baked large donuts and mini donuts, muffins, and my most prized possession is French macarons. I'm sure you've seen them with Patricia Kihoro and Beauty by Wabosha, or she's called Wabosha Maxine, and a couple of other people out there, even This Is Us. And yeah, so yeah, that's my prized possession at the moment. It's quite a hot cake, if I may say. Thank you very much for all those guys who've supported me. Next is, are you generally shy or a private person? Oh wow, I think both. I am really shy in front of people I don't know, because people, I'll get to make small talk, which I hate. I do not like small talk at all. So if I don't know you, it's gonna be a problem talking to you. And I am kind of a private person. I don't like people knowing every step of what I do and what I'm doing, where I'm traveling, who I'm traveling with, who I'm dating, stuff like that. Yeah. So basically, I'm both a shy person and a private person. So yeah. You look really young for a 30-year-old. Are you the last born? Really, guys? These questions though. Yes, I have been told that quite a lot. I look younger than my age, and yes, I am 30 years old with this baby face. Yes. And no, I'm not the last born. I am actually the third born. I'm the middle child. I have an older brother who has a twin sister and my younger sister. So the next question is, do you have any pet peeves? Well, I have, my top two pet peeves are, I cannot and I will not, and I choose not to pick after you. If you're not disabled, let me say that. If you're not disabled, please pick after yourselves. Please, let's just pick after yourselves, because that's very irritating for me to do that for you. So, and my second is short form texting. I cannot stand short form texting. Or having a small lettered I in the middle of a sentence. Oh my god, I cannot deal with that. So guys, those are my top two, and the rest we'll get to know that. Okay, so we continue. What spices can you not do without? This is now my favorite place. This is my comfort zone. There's black pepper, there's garlic powder, there's cayenne chili, there's chili flakes, there's nutmeg, there's cinnamon and salt. Yeah, those are my, yeah. We're almost done, so do not go anywhere. So Who are your top 5 foodie YouTubers? Oh, I have many. I have so many. I would go with Chef John from foodwishes.com, Laura Vitale from Laura in the Kitchen, Gordon Ramsay, who else? Tasty, Tasty, Tasty Videos, I guess, and Dana's Bakery. Oh, love, 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 love. Those are my top 5, but I have a couple of more, and we'll get to share them maybe in the next video or something. I don't know. You tell me, do you want to see more videos like this? Leave a comment below and give this video a thumbs up. As we continue, 2 more, I think we have, yeah, 2 last questions, and those are, would you go back to the corporate world? Hell no. Hell no. No. How do you stay fit with all the food we see on your blog? Guys, I am the worst fit person ever. I do not like exercising. I do not eat all the food that I cook on my food blog or on the videos you see. I actually, if I'm not like eating the food, I don't actually eat it like in like once, like in one day or anything. I have my friends and family who come over and yeah, take some for themselves. So I guess I have answered most of the questions. The others were quite inappropriate, guys. But I didn't give you any boundaries. So yes, thanks to all those who shared their questions, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you love this video or you like to see more of this, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell notification for more videos, probably once a week, because initially I'd said twice a week, but that hasn't been happening quite often. So either Monday or a Friday you will find a new video. So guys, thank you so much and see you later. Bye.